Hey guys, Jeff with Westcott Designs here. We just finished up this 2021 Lunar Rock TRD Pro Tundra. The gentleman actually drove over from New Mexico to allow us to lift his truck and put some tires on it. These are the factory BBS wheels. We put on a set of Toyo Open Country AT3s on this. Basically, the tire we did is a 35 12.5 by 18. We do a lot of times get customers ask, hey, do I need to do a wheel spacer with this setup? No, you don't, but you are limited when you run this wheel with a factory offset as far as tires go, because the closest part is on the back side here. The sidewall tread actually gets close on the back side of these tires. I can actually put my fingers behind this one, but there are some of the different tires that they're so tight and so close, the lugs are actually rub the back edge of the control arm. So this is a 35 12.5 by 18, and this tire, the KO2s work really well. Do some guys run wheel spacers? Absolutely. We do have to, with this setup, take the front mud flap off, or the front bumper splash guard, and then the rear mud flap on it to make it work out. Well, while the gentleman was here, he had ordered, I don't know, 4 or 5 weeks ago, some rock sliders. And yes, the wait on our rock sliders, because of the demand, has been longer than we want them to be. But he obviously got our rock sliders installed while he was here. These are a set of our 0-degree rock sliders. These are DOM, and these are our TIG welded rock sliders with our top plates. Then with our signature bottle opener in the back corner back here. Whether someone uses it or not, I don't know, but these are our rock sliders. This lift kit on the truck is a 3-inch in the front and 1 inch in the back. Rides like factory. We talk about all the time about how the truck dips in the front under hard stops. Helps eliminate a lot of that. These trucks feel top heavy when you're driving them, and if you swerve the wheel, it feels like it kind of back and forth. So our kit does help eliminate a lot of that stuff for that customer. Our kit's not bad to install, so we tell people, hey, you could probably do it yourself if you wanted, or obviously bring it to us like this gentleman did. So wanted to share this with you. Hope you enjoy it. Please reach out to us with any questions you may have. We're happy to answer them, or go ahead and put them on our page there, and let us know what you have questions about, and we'll do whatever we can to help you. Thanks again for watching.